First thing first, start a channel that you love. Do not start a channel because you're thinking if you start that channel, you're gonna get folks to watch that channel. Don't go searching for views and subscribers. Do it because you enjoy doing it. Because when you wake up, and the first thing you should think about is the Most High, and everything else lines up behind it. But you want to make sure when you're doing your work, whatever you're creating, whatever you're working towards, and if it's a YouTube channel, just because that's what I'm speaking of right now, make sure you're doing it because you enjoy doing it. Do not get on here thinking that you're gonna meet or have like all the requirements to get monetized, or all the subscribers, all the people that are gonna watch you, because YouTube is very, very big. And I'm not saying that you might get up here and you might just, take over. You might take over. And if you don't, then don't get frustrated with it. If you decide to have a YouTube channel, I feel that you should record yourself drawing, so you can always go back and look at your, yourself. Because believe it or not, like I was trying to say before I got cut off from my thing, is I like to, push that out of the way quick. I like to basically go back and watch some of my videos. I don't watch them all the time because I'd be too focused on other stuff, but when I do have the time, I do go watch it. And sometimes I watch my old videos to see like what I did wrong to make it not move, or not even that, or what I did when I was drawing, what can I do to make it better. So I feel like if you're trying to get better with your art, and this is just my opinion, it helped me, it may help you, record yourself. You recording yourself for a little teeny minute, or you recording yourself to see how it looks when you're drawing. Because you're looking at your techniques when you're drawing. You're looking at the way that you do things, the way that you figure out things that you want to figure out. It just helps you better your craft, better your art. It helps me out a lot. If you are like an artist right now, and either you're scared to put your stuff up and you want to know how can you better yourself, if you're not recording yourself, I feel like you should. I really do. I feel like you should. It shows you your weak areas and your strong areas. It actually helps you be better with your art. It helps me because I can always go back, and I just like to be able to go back and look at the old things I used to create. So it's just fun to record yourself, just in case you want to try it or not. I'm just saying, you might like it. All right, so back to what I was doing.